I'm so sorry, Norma, that fell. And what page was Lorenzo on?
He was in the hearing section on the very top, page 7.
All right, thank you.
Morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. How's it going?
I'm well. How are you?
Oh, I cannot complain.
You haven't seen the news then.
Oh, yeah.
Sorry.
Oh, no, I understand. All right, court is calling 2024 CR 009804, State versus Julius Tovar. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state? Defense?
Pat Montgomery for Julius Tovar.
And are you Mr. Tovar?
Yes.
Counsel, you received all discovery. Did you review it with your client?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that state is in compliance with discovery. Probation, this is an application. Mr. Tovar, did you review the application for deferred adjudication or community supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it? Did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it? And
Yes, ma'am.
counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
We do, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Without objection from the defense judge.
All right, did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes.
Did you understand your charge of possession of controlled substance, penalty group 1 to 4 grams? That's a third-degree felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes.
If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you, and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes.
Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent?
Yes.
Did you understand by entering this plea bargain agreement, you were giving up those rights? Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case? Did you understand if the court were to grant your application for deferred adjudication, if for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked, the court could find you guilty and sentence you up to 10 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine? Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
He has, Your Honor.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
He does, Judge.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, ma'am.
Mr. Tovar, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea? Anyone promised you anything other than the plea? Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
According to the plea, the state is proceeding on count 2. There's a $2,000 fine. State recommends deferred adjudication, and there's to be restitution to the SAPD for drug testing. Did you understand that
Yes.
as the plea?
Yeah.
Defense, is that the plea?
It is, Judge.
State, that's the plea?
It is, Your Honor.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places? Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am. There are none, Your Honor.
All right. Outside the agreement, the state is recommending that your community supervision be for a term of 5 years. There be a TAP evaluation and 200 hours of community service restitution. Did you understand those were recommendations from the state, and the court does not have to follow those recommendations? Did it count 2? How do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest? State, any evidence?
We present no objections.
All right, state, you may be excused. Did you review the waivers with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent? Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there will be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments, and the court will review the same. All right, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty. The court will defer finding of guilt as you've applied for deferred adjudication. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, ma'am. We'll waive a pre-sentence investigation and ask the court to follow the plea bargain.
All right. Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Judge, he's 21. He's, I think, on the path to straightening himself out.
Mhm.
We do have a case in County Court 7 we're going to resolve tomorrow, and he'll be on probation, deferred adjudication on that case as well.
All right. Is Child Protective Services involved in this case?
Not that I know of either, Judge.
Why not? Because there's a child in the car.
Yeah, it's not my kid. No.
Oh, it said, oh, you're the stepfather?
Yeah.
So do you have any children with this?
No.
You don't? All right. How far did you go in school?
12th grade.
Did you graduate?
No, man.
Why not?
I never even got to finish.
Why not?
They kicked me out.
Why?
Skipping.
Why were you skipping?
Bad crowd.
I mean, you're a part of the bad crowd
Yeah.
because if you're skipping with other people, you all are skipping together. What's with the tattoo on the arm?
No, I've been having these.
All right, this is what the court is going to do. 5 years deferred adjudication. There should be no contact with proof of employment within 30 days. There should be no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. Who do you live with?
Her father-in-law, my father-in-law.
Who is your, wait a minute, is this,
Yeah,
are you all married?
no,
All right, so that's not your father-in-law then. You understand that?
yes, ma'am.
And does she live there?
No,
That's odd. So why are you staying with, I just get curious sometime.
I've
It may
been,
not have anything to do with the price of peaches, but we're gonna see. So why are you living with her father-in-law?
well, I've been around the family for a while. So she lives with her mom, I live with her dad.
All right. Well, you're not allowed to have any contact. There should be no contact with minors. So if there's minors in that household, you're gonna have to go. Why are you not staying with your parents?
Well, my mom went to California, and my dad, that's the case.
What other, oh, he has another case with his father?
It's in county court 7.
Oh, so that's an assault case.
Yes, ma'am. There's
Okay.
an assault case.
There should be no contact with minors, regular reporting by Zoom or in person, regular random UAs. When's the last time you used?
Uh, 5 months ago,
And what were you using?
marijuana,
And what else?
that was it.
All right, there should be a TAP evaluation and a referral to felony drug court. He needs a lot of help.
I like felony drug court, Judge. They do good work.
All right, so that's gonna be done in custody, felony drug court referral. They should be able to see him this week.
Thank you, ma'am.
There is going to be 200 hours of community service restitution. 200 hours will be deducted if you obtain your GED or if you are in some type of trade school and you obtain your certificate or some higher level of education. There's going to be field visits 1 time per month until further notice. Restitution to SAPD for lab testing. Counsel, if you think that lab testing is an outrageous amount, let the court know.
I'm gonna guess it's $68, but we'll see.
$2,000 fine, that will be probated. Probation, is there anything else? All right, you all are blocking my view from probation, and probation can't hear because probation wears glasses like me, and if you don't see, sometimes you don't hear.
Come on, Charles.
All right. Did you review the document? Is there anything else you need from the court?
No.
Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it? Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand? We can go off the record. Let me explain something to you. When you're on probation, you're not allowed to drink alcohol, even if it's at your house. You're not allowed to possess any weapons. Do you understand? You're not allowed to use drugs. So if there's some reason why you have marijuana, if there's some mental health issues, do you have any mental health issues? Let probation know about it. Do you understand?
Yes.
And this court to be successful, communication is key. If there's an issue, let your probation officer know. If you feel they're not addressing it, you can always come back to court. You understand?
Yes.
And I'm serious about that no contact with. You all should not be around each other, and you definitely should not be around anyone who has a child because you're not grown up yet. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
And when I say grown up, you're not thinking about things. All right, good luck to you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.